I really don't have time for this, but who cares? I'm doing an unboxing video, and of course, I couldn't help myself. I had to unbox it. It is a, well, you'll get a better look at this thing. I know what you're thinking. Yu-Gi-Oh! Why did it have to be Yu-Gi-Oh! But here it is anyway. I mean, I know what you're thinking. Why am I still doing this like a stupid unboxing thing? Crap, I'm just gonna close these blinds. But, yeah. So, let's get this all done. Oh, we got 2 cards. I'm gonna leave those for the last, okay? I don't know what they are, so let's see. Oh, we only got 3. Well, these 3 will have to do for now. Now, let's see if we can get a little better zoom on this thing. Oh, crap. My foot hit it. So, let's get this thing underway. I don't have tons of time for this video. It's a really nice package. So, let's start this off. Dang. That guy's nice. Now what I would love. Oh, wow, he has no attack and no defense. You can pause that if you'd like. Putting that one down. Okay. Woo, never seen this guy before. Oh, it's spellcasting. Good, I needed one of these. So, we just needed to focus. Focus, you bastard. Okay. Well, it's not wanting to focus on me. There we go. Okay. Next card. Oh, it's a trap card. Seems like a lot of these are going to be real helpful in the future. Yeah. You can pause these if you'd like. Another. Oh, it's a spell card. Okay. This is going to come in handy. Let me know if you've ever seen anything like that before. Sorry if I have to keep tapping the screen and it shakes. Okay, I have never seen anything like this. I like how... You like that? I love that look. I love how it does that. The rainbow effect. Okay, it's a warrior. Sorry if I'm not calling these guys out. It's a warrior. There you go. Okay, this is a machine. It's got pretty good attack and pretty good defense. It's not like a usual one you'd see every day. I've actually never seen this one before. There's a lot I'm sure I've never seen. Legendary World Clown. Holy shit! Are you seeing this thing? I have never seen a card like that before. It's a reptile card. Holy shit. That is something else. Okay. Sorry, I need a... It's a spell card, but, okay, the next card that's behind this, I just got a little peek of it, which I'm just going to show this part quickly. And let's get on to it. Yes! Okay, sorry about that. I just have a card like this, and I've been waiting to get a Warrior Link for a while now. So yeah. I'm sorry, I'm a little shaky right now over this. Sorry. I know, I'm not huge into Yu-Gi-Oh! When I find a good card, well, yeah. So yeah, we got a decent pack of decent cards. Next pack is. And don't forget about the 2 cards that are on the side. So I'm making this video at nighttime, so it'll probably come on tomorrow. Don't even want to see the card. Okay. Wow. Okay, sorry. That was off a lot. It's a dragon. Never seen this dragon before. There's a lot of cards I haven't seen. Okay, look. I'm just going to say this out loud. I have never seen any of these cards. It's a new pack, brand new. So, yeah. A trap card. Now, we've already seen this trap card before. Actually, did you get a good look at the... Yeah, if you want to... These will all be in their separate stack. You've already seen this card before. Okay, this is a pretty cool spell card. Haven't seen anything like this before. Huh. That's pretty cool. Now, I have not seen... I mean, it's a machine, but it's definitely a serpent. It's got the rainbow effect on it, somewhat. Okay, now that's pretty... Oh, if you could see it the way I'm seeing it, let's see if I... Oh, see that? See that little shimmer? That's beautiful. Yeah, so... Yes, there's that. Sorry, just trying to get a better angle. My leg's hurting me. Okay, we've already seen this card before, so let's move on. Well, I have a card similar to this. Very similar. So yeah, I'll let you get a good look at that. Just remember, any of these you can pause. I don't know what that is. I barely can spell it. Actually, I've never seen this kind of, like, type before. I've seen a lot of different types. Like, I know I've never seen this card before, but this type, never seen it before. I wonder. Ooh, we have another one of these. Okay, now this is why I love it about this. Look at this beauty. Isn't it beautiful? We got one last. This one's a beast. This last one we have in my hand, or I have in my hand, is a warrior. So yeah, we have quite a bit. Also, don't think I'm not forgetting about these two. I'm going to show those. Now, what I'd love to get is the character on the packet, but I don't think that's going to happen because it's a small box. I think it just showed that we have this guy already, so yeah, I'm not going to worry about that. Oh, we already have this. We already have that. Okay, this is something else. I'm going to put these over here. Yeah, you see that little rainbow effect? I love any card that has that on it, but I haven't seen any spell cards that do that. Huh. That's weird. What the okay. No language being used in this. Yeah, I've never seen this guy. He looks super weird. He's a plant. Didn't know there were plant types. Whatever. Okay, now I've never seen such a colorful and nice sword in Yu-Gi-Oh! Before. Okay. Now, see that? Spellcaster. Yeah. Nice card. This is a nice one as well. Fairy. Don't know what the other thing is. Last one we have over here is a trap card. Interesting. I haven't seen a trap card like this before. And that'll be it for... Oh, wait a minute. I still have 2 cards. Well, let me just take a... Well, here they... I'm joking. Actually, these are some really good cards. And I'm looking at both of them. So if you, like, really enjoyed this video, if you liked the video, then show your support. I'm just going to put out all my favorite cards that I have gotten. Actually, no, I don't really like that one. Sorry. So, yeah. You know, I'm sure you're seeing all these cards. And if you're not, I'm going to bring them so you can see it. So yes, these are my favorites, okay? Now, these 2 cards right here are very special. They're like super rare. Super rare. And if you want to find out what these are, then like the video. If I can get up to, I know this sounds stupid, but 7 likes, and another subscriber, then I'll show these 2 cards. Plus more with this. Okay? So, if you guys really want to see what these cards are, then you will like and you will subscribe. But until next time, enjoy the video.